What's up, everybody? My name is Jason, and welcome to Small Biz. In today's video, it's finally Fed Day with the press conference due to begin at 2:30 in the afternoon. So the obvious question of this day is, will Jerome Powell surprise the street and take the tech stocks down even farther? And is it really true that we have not one, not two, but 3 penny stocks that are way off the lows? All that and more coming right up. We're going gangster. We got the magic bullet. We're out of paper cups from Kroger, Target, ceramic cups. We're out of everything. It's been a heck of a week. And if you're inside the Discord, you know that I not only expedited my passport, but I just booked my flight and vacation. And there's a part of me that says, what are you doing? You're getting a penthouse suite down there with all that ASS, and you're going to spend what? But I'm worth it. This guy right here has not taken a fucking vacation in 19 years. I got so scarred from the recession or the Great Depression of 2007 and 8 when I went bankrupt that I've been working nonstop ever since. But if you guys and gals want me around for another 10 or 12 years, which I am committing to, I need some time off, and I'm going to take you with me. But you got to be inside of the Discord. How do you do that? Try smallbiz.com. Get premium if you got a small business. I'll promote you all over the place. And if you don't, it's Discord. That's trysmallbiz.com, where everyone who's got a fucking reasonable head on their shoulders are welcome. All right, before I talk about Jerome Powell, actually, let me do it the other way around. Jerome Powell is going to do absolutely nothing. They're not going to raise rates. It's going to be a boring press conference if he's smart. They're going to start cutting rates, in my opinion, in June or July. The economy is still too strong. However, glass half full for all you Debbie motherfucking downers. The tech blow up last night is actually bullish. How can that be bullish? The stock market top. You mean it topped exactly where I said it was? You mean it topped exactly where I fucking said it would? Huh? Where did I tell you the Qs were going to top? 429, last trade 420, and still going lower. However, the weakness in Microsoft and Google and other tech stocks, including transportation names like UPS, is going to give the Fed a reason to start cutting, not as aggressively as the futures market, which is calling for 5 or 6 cuts by the end of the year. But I say 3, most likely 4 tops, because as we get closer to the election, they're not going to want to pay politics, even though they say they don't pay attention to that bullshit. So I expect June, July, and maybe September, and then a pause. Get out of the way and wait for you-know-who to come back. Because the last time it happened, the Dow was up 1,400 points the next day. So as I've said before, 80% of your money or thereabouts should be married to the market, index funds, and ETFs. Get your ass inside of the fucking Discord by way of trysmallbiz.com. I'll help you get rich and sleep at night. Most of your money, 70, 80%. If you're really conservative, 90%, SPY, QQQ, IWM. That's 2,600 companies that trade in 3 ETFs, exchange-traded funds, basically a mutual fund that trades like a stock. If you have no discipline and you're scared of your own fucking shadow, you get the index. Did I just see a 4-letter word that starts with C? I think I might have said that. Can you blame me? I mean, wait till you see where I'm going. So where are you staying? Oh, well, I'm in the penthouse at XYZ. Would you like to come back for a nightcap? Oh my God, don't get me started. But I deserve it. And God bless each and every one of you for allowing me to put it on my credit card and enjoy myself for the first time in 20 years. But most of your money should be married to the stock market. 10, 20, 30%. You trade. It's your find out, fuck around, or your fuck around and find out money. You're married to the market. You marry your mutual funds. You date, you trade your stocks. It's that fucking simple. And in closing, if you are in the Discord right now and I catch you promoting day trading or scalping, because I see it back to 16 and change, right? You had a chance to buy one of our biotechs as low as 1530 this morning. It was pushed down with everything else by the bots on an insanely light volume, particularly in the early pre-market. And then boom, it runs all the way to 1879. That's when the day traders and the scalpers stepped in and said, we're going to throw some cold water on this, but they're making a mistake. For every one that they get right where they dump the stock up 10 or 15% and try to buy it back, but you're not going to get it back at 15.30. You're not even going to get it back at fucking 16. So for every cutesy move you play like that, you're going to have another one that not only goes up 10 or 15% and you pull the trigger, but then it goes up another 50 to 100%. I've been doing this 30 years, half of that as a broker. I know damn well the only thing it serves when you're a scalper or a day trader is a personality disorder. You've got some sort of dopamine addiction. You can't sit still for more than 5 minutes. So if I didn't make myself really clear, if I catch you promoting day trading or scalping inside of the Discord, you're motherfucking fired. Probably with a refund. I want, before I get out of here and let you guys enjoy the Fed afternoon, the press conference, etc. For all you that are new, spend some time in the new trades. Listen to guys like the Italian from Laguna Beach, Tammy Murphy, who's been with me from the beginning. There's a handful of people that have been trading alongside me for 2 years, a year and a half on Twitter. It's now inside of the Discord for $50 or $60 a month. No freeloaders allowed. You want to hear me talking about crypto, the economy, mortgage? I fucking nailed. Not only did I nail Bitcoin at 18,000 on the bottom when Jim fucking Cramer said sell it all, but I've been nailing the tops, including the miners Wolf to the penny, in at 124, out in the mid 180s for 47% in less than a week. But ask yourself, after you look around, and we may need to set up a testimonial channel, ask yourself, when is the last time, other than the 2 M stops, that I had something that really just ruined you? And if you're managing risk by putting 10% per idea, you're never going to be ruined. In Max position, in Max Pain this morning, I was down 1.8%. We had stocks that were down 10% or more from the close yesterday. I wasn't even down 2%. And if you've been with me long enough, you know a 2 to 3% down day is unusual. And if it's real bad and we got a couple of blow-ups and the market's limit down, maybe we're off 5-6% on the day. That's not going to kill you. If your 100 grand turns into 95K or your 10,000 turns into 9,500, is that going to cause you to sleep at night? No. The reason why many of you are scared shitless, that are having trouble acclimating to what we're doing, is you've been so damaged over the last several years. You think that every time you buy a stock and it goes down 10 or 15%, which is nothing for anything that trades under $1, that, oh my God, I'm going to lose it all. Wrong. You are in good hands. I made all the fucking mistakes so that you don't have to. And until next time, always remember, can't believe I said the 4-letter word, that I love you. And that too. And thanks for watching. Oh, did he really say he loves that?